Lights flashing, sirens blaring, and the adrenaline pumping. Police chases are the stuff of Hollywood action movies. But in the real world, they can be incredibly dangerous for everyone involved. That's why police officers rely on a range of cutting-edge gadgets and technology to help them bring dangerous cars to a safe stop. These police gadgets are the ultimate tools of the trade for law enforcement officials around the globe. In this video, we'll take you on a thrilling journey through the world of police gadgets that stop dangerous cars, exploring the incredible technology that makes it all possible. Get ready to witness the ultimate showdown between technology and crime as we delve into the world of police gadgets. 1. Spike Stinger. In the world of high-speed chases, police officers need every advantage they can get to bring dangerous vehicles to a halt. That's where the Spike Stinger comes in, a powerful tool in the arsenal of law enforcement officials worldwide. The Spike Stinger is a device that's designed to puncture the tires of a fleeing vehicle, bringing it to a controlled stop and minimizing the risk to both officers and bystanders. This innovative piece of technology has revolutionized police tactics, allowing officers to take down dangerous drivers safely and efficiently. With its sharp spikes and durable construction, the Spike Stinger can be deployed quickly and easily, even in the heat of a high-speed chase. And because it's so effective at stopping vehicles in their tracks, it has become a staple of police forces all over the world. 2. Optima Road Blocker. The Optima 𝐬𝐬 mobile hydraulic road blocker is a popular choice for police departments worldwide as a temporary security solution to control and manage crowds during high-risk situations. Its hydraulic system makes it easy to deploy and remove as needed, allowing police to create barriers and control access to certain areas quickly and efficiently. The device is designed to withstand the impact of vehicles and provides a high degree of security to prevent unauthorized access. It can also be integrated with other security systems and access control to provide a comprehensive security solution for law enforcement agencies. With its robust design and ease of use, the Optima 𝐬𝐬 mobile hydraulic road blocker is an excellent choice for police departments to manage crowds and secure their premises during high-risk situations. 3. Subtech Tire Killer. The Subtech Tire Killer is a highly effective security solution that is widely used by law enforcement agencies for securing one-way roads. Designed to stop vehicles in their tracks, the Tire Killer features a set of spikes that protrude from the ground when activated, puncturing the tires of any vehicle that tries to pass over it. With its high-strength steel construction, the Tire Killer is capable of stopping even heavy vehicles at high speeds, making it an essential tool for law enforcement agencies. The use of the Tire Killer provides a highly effective deterrent against dangerous drivers and unauthorized vehicles, ensuring the safety of the public and law enforcement personnel alike. With its innovative design and high-performance capabilities, the Subtech Tire Killer is an essential tool for police departments looking to secure one-way roads and prevent dangerous driving. 4. Anti-tank hedgehog barriers. The anti-tank hedgehog barrier is a highly effective security solution widely used by armed forces to secure borders and prevent unauthorized access by hostile vehicles. These barriers feature a series of long, metal spikes arranged in a crisscross pattern, making it nearly impossible for tanks and other heavy vehicles to cross them. The anti-tank hedgehog barriers are a critical component of border security, protecting against potential threats and ensuring the safety of border guards and civilians. The anti-tank hedgehog barriers have become an essential tool for modern military forces, providing a highly effective and reliable method of border security. Their rugged construction and durable design ensure that they can withstand even the most severe weather conditions, making them an ideal choice for long-term border security solutions. The use of these barriers is a clear indication of a country's commitment to securing its borders and protecting its citizens from potential threats. 5. Pitagone F18. The Pitagone F18 is a game-changer when it comes to hostile vehicle mitigation barriers. Its portable and movable design, combined with its ability to withstand a 7.5-ton truck traveling at high speeds, makes it an essential tool for law enforcement agencies. The F-18's lightweight construction and tool-free assembly mean that it can be quickly and easily deployed by a single person, allowing for rapid response in emergency situations. One of the key features of the F-18 is its modular design, with each segment weighing just 38.5 kilograms. This makes it suitable for use in a wide range of events, from small public gatherings to large-scale festivals and sporting events. Its ability to be moved easily also means that emergency vehicles can pass through as needed. 6. Grappler. The Grappler is a revolutionary device that has changed the game for law enforcement officers pursuing suspects on the road. Its heavy-duty nylon net can be deployed with the touch of a button from the pursuing police vehicle, allowing officers to snag the rear tire of the suspect vehicle and wrap it around the axle. Once the Grappler has a hold of the suspect vehicle, the officer can release a tether from the police car and back away to a safe distance. This innovative technology allows for a controlled stop of the suspect vehicle without the need for a high-speed chase or forced collision, ensuring the safety of both officers and suspects. The Grappler is a prime example of how technology can be used to improve law enforcement operations and make our communities safer. Its ease of use and effectiveness in stopping fleeing suspects has revolutionized the way police departments handle high-speed chases. The Grappler is truly a game-changer in law enforcement technology. 7. Mobile Spike. Mobile Spike is an innovative technology that has changed the way law enforcement officers manage high-speed chases. This unique device can be mounted on a police vehicle and deployed with the touch of a button, allowing officers to stop fleeing suspects quickly and safely. Mobile Spike works by deploying a spike strip from the front of the police vehicle, which punctures the tires of the fleeing vehicle and brings it to a controlled stop. This technology is highly effective in stopping high-speed chases, preventing accidents, and ensuring the safety of both officers and suspects. With Mobile Spike, law enforcement officers have a powerful tool at their disposal to manage dangerous situations on the road. Its ease of use and effectiveness make it an essential part of any police department's toolkit. 8. Star Chase. Star Chase technology is a revolutionary tool that has changed the way law enforcement handles high-risk vehicle events such as pursuits. With the ability to tag, track, and safely apprehend a suspect without the need to engage in a deadly high-speed chase, Star Chase has become an essential tool for law enforcement agencies worldwide. With over 10,000 tags deployed and lives saved, Star Chase has proven to be a valuable asset in increasing community safety. By providing law enforcement with valuable time to assess and organize, officers can effect a safe arrest while avoiding the need for dangerous pursuits. Star Chase technology works by deploying a GPS tag from the front of a police vehicle, which attaches to the fleeing suspect's car. Law enforcement can then track the suspect's location in real time, providing them with the opportunity to safely apprehend the individual without putting lives or property at risk. With its proven success, Star Chase is quickly becoming a go-to tool for law enforcement officers across the country. Its ability to reduce risk to life and property during high-risk vehicle events has made it an essential part of any police department's toolkit. Overall, Star Chase is a game-changer for public safety and a valuable asset in keeping our communities safe. Technology has brought about a new era in law enforcement. From high-speed chases to one-way roads, officers now have a range of innovative tools at their disposal to help them keep our communities safe. The gadgets showcased in this video have proven to be game changers, reducing the risk of danger to both officers and civilians alike. We hope this video has provided you with insight into the cutting-edge technology being used by law enforcement agencies across the world. Remember, we all have a role to play in keeping our communities safe. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more fascinating content.